Hello and welcome to a new entry of Show You Stuff, the official product unboxing and review series by MultiJames95. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more updates on content and videos like this. And please don't forget to click the like button on this video. Now, let's see what we have in this box, shall we? This one actually came from, look. Ooh, California. Let's see what's inside this box then. Ooh. JetEx, Korean Air aircraft, and it says it is Boeing officially licensed. There you can see the box. It's manufactured by JetEx, and let's see what's inside this model, by the way, which is worth keeping. Yep, we open it, and there's our plane. You see it has HL742 over here. Underneath, there's also the same thing. Let's open this one. We take it out. And there's our plane. And let's see what is it on top. Hey, look at that! A Korean Air 747-400 bearing a special livery. The woman in the photo is no other than Lisa Gherardini del Giocondo, who is the subject for the famed Renaissance painting Mona Lisa. And you can see it says here, "Passionate Wings to Art." There we have our aircraft, true to life, Korean Air logo, SkyTeam logo, Hangul writing, and of course, you can see the engines. They also bear the same thing. The yin-yang thing there that looks like Pepsi, it's actually a symbol of South Korea. And there's the Mona Lisa with the passionate wings to art. Hangul writing there. And the registration on the tail. And it also has, let's see what's in the wing, what's written. Ooh, no step. See that? No step? Almost like the real thing on the aircraft. The real aircraft too also has that. Almost so real and true to life. The same goes for the other side too. Mona Lisa. Passionate wings to art. Everything is just the same here. Wow. See that? Worth adding to the collection. And Korean Air actually painted this aircraft with Mona Lisa to commemorate Korean language tours of the Louvre Museum in Paris. Especially that Korean Air also flies to Paris just as much as its rival Asiana does. Of course, that now Korean language is also available in the Louvre Museum or Louvre Palace. It's a great touch for diversity of France. And France actually remains one of my favorite countries too. And they also fly this aircraft. When they had this livery, they flew this aircraft to Paris and also in Italy, because the reason why Korean Air flies this Mona Lisa to Italy is that the origin of Lisa Gherardini del Giocondo is actually in Italian, and the Gherardini family, which she belongs to, is actually still thriving. Remember, the Gherardinis are actually among the wealthiest in Italy, and they continue to be wealthy as today. They are one of the well-known aristocrats, and many are actually active in science, politics, medicine, and business. So much, actually, and that makes you love the Italians even more. And that's the reason why we should patronize Italian too. Well, I don't know what to say, but this aircraft is worth adding to the collection if you love aviation and also if you love art, because Mona Lisa over there is the art and a symbol of Italian culture. Since her subject is Italian, of course, Italians are among the nicest people in the world. Oh, and I also had one model of this one of Passionate Wings, but that is Passionate Wings to Culture, wherein it flies to the UK. However, I already sold that one. We actually did a review on that model of Passionate Wings to Culture. I've sold that actually online so I could pay my bills, and I'm still raising funds to continue monetizing since I don't get much students in Rare Job anymore. I'd like actually to monetize this too and ensure that when I sold that Korean Air with Passionate Wings to Culture, I would be getting this, and my money was enough to get this. Just worth the money and worth adding to the collection. And of course, that ends our review for this aircraft. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for viewing this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys again in our next unboxing video.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.
Hello there, it's MultiJames95. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something today. And please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on content like this. If you want to support me or help me earn more, please donate to my PayPal, GCash, or even my Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. The links are there in the description. And please do watch our next video. I hope you will like it. Thank you once again and see you next time. Bye.